Greetings from Snake Mountain Boat Works on Tuesday, February 24, 2026. Thank goodness the blizzard of 26 did not find its way north to northern Vermont. We didn't see anything. But what we do see is that Rick has blasted through a major milestone. Our 1967 26-foot Lyman Cruisette's bottom is receiving its second coat of Interlux tie-cut primer. There'll be two more, and then we will do the bottom paint, and her bottom and her new keel will be ready to float, although we've got more work to do, of course. So Rick, how'd you finally get to here?
Yeah, a lot of sanding, a lot of filling, and dealing with the lead paint that was on this.
Yeah, it was all red lead paint, wasn't
yeah,
it?
because I mean, every time you would put something, you'd have to dig and dig and dig to dig it all out, because for some reason, whatever we'd use for filler, which is the best we can, sometimes it would get in contact with the lead that was underneath.
Right.
And I'd have to do it again. I'd have to sand it down, dig out some more, and clean it up. Finally, I started adhering.
And you also discovered that somebody decided to, let me put it in quotes, repair, close quotes, dings and dents and even some pretty big gouges and some missing planks with fiberglass rosin.
Fiberglass was bad. That was a lot to deal with, the fiberglass.
Yeah.
You got to sand it right off completely and then take and replace what you got to replace. And
well,
like we did some repairs underneath the keel here too, where you can see the new pieces right there. It was,
right.
The hole was so big that you could probably catch fish through it.
Yeah.
Which we don't want to do.
Well,
So I cut it out and 5,200 in some new pieces, and then when Joey goes to put the rudder in, he'll re-drill it.
yeah, that's right. We have to re-drill the rudder and prop shaft because she's being repowered, and the new engine requires a bigger, and we're not sure, but we don't think longer, but certainly larger in diameter prop shaft to handle the 350 horsepower that will be driving this thing.
It ought to fly.
It ought to fly. This bottom's nice and stiff.
Yep. Yeah,
And
it's solid, I think. It's not going anywhere, that's for sure. I really don't think it's going to take much of a soaking for not having a 5,200 bottom, because it's sealed really good. So.
yeah, the Interlux primer, tie coat primer is just amazing stuff. It's expensive. A gallon of it weighs about 20 pounds. I give you some idea of the integrity of the contents of the paint.
And we also, remember, we replaced this part of the keel here too.
Yeah.
That's all brand new.
That's all brand new.
Rebolted in. And all
Yeah,
brand
we
new.
have all new bronze bolts, so it's not going anywhere anytime soon.
It's solid.
Yeah, it is solid.
I wouldn't want to be in the way of it. That's for sure.
No.
It might end up hurting.
Yeah, we'll just keep sauntering up.
Probably wondering why this boat's sitting here without any stand.
Yes. We can see the minimal repairs that Rick had to do to the stem, knee and gripe. It just blended right in. Everything is smooth. So he will finish the second coat, let it cure, apply two more coats of the tie coat primer, and then we will be applying a copper bronze bottom paint that can survive salt water. So that's where we are on Tuesday, February 24, 2026, on our 26-foot 1967 Lyman Cruisette. Thank you so much. Bye-bye for now from Snake Mountain Boat Works.